Hey everyone! Today we're going to go over sight singing and practicing identifying these notes and trying to just see how we do without having any instruments help us out. So let's get started. So I'm going to go a little quicker than I did before in my previous videos because I feel like we're going to hopefully be getting the hang of this thing here. So as we identify them, I'll start by reminding us in the space it spells face, so we have F, A, C gives us our answer, E, and then on the lines I say every good boy gives us our answer, does fine. Okay, so let's keep going. Down a step to A. Every good, right? We got a bag in there. Same note, G. Up a step to A. Down a step to G. Got a gag in there too. All right, F, E, same note. Up a step to F. Down a step to E. Down a step to D. Or drippy D is what I call it. Kind of looks like a teardrop falling off. Up a step to E. Down. Got the same note over here, so that's how you know. And then down a step to C. Up a step to D. Down a step to C. And ooh, we're getting a little lower here. That's the letter B. Okay, and then back up to C. Okay, so now we're going to identify the solfege portion. Then we're going to clap it out, and then we'll sing it. So I reminded us before, we usually use the first note as do. It's called movable do. It's usually what we use here to just help us be able to identify the music easier as singers, and it's just common. So let's try it. So we know the first one's do. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. Down to T, down to La, down to Sol, Sol, up to La, down to Sol, Fa, Mi, same note, Fa, Mi, down to Re, up to Mi, Re, Do, up to Re, down to Do. We got a little bit lower this time, so just if we take a look, even at the first one we started with, Do, Ti, same deal, Ti, and then back to Do. Okay, so let's try to clap this out and kind of get a feel of the rhythm, and then we will sing it out. Okay, so quick reminder of 3/4 time signature. That one feels a little different from 4/4. 4/4 is a little more straightforward. Just do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3/4 we usually emphasize the 1, and we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna clap it out first, and we're gonna say the solfege as we clap. Okay, I'll count you off. So do it with me. 1, 2, 3. Ready, and go. Do, ti, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. I hope that wasn't too quick. If you want to try to go back and do that again, I would back it up a little bit and try it one more time, just so you kind of get the hang of it. I'll go a little slower as well when we actually sing it, because it's a little more difficult singing it than clapping it. Okay, so as we sing it, we start on a pretty high note. Typically, we usually start lower, so what I'm going to do is give us our bottom do first, which is the do we end on. And then I'm gonna sing the octave up so you know where we start, okay? Just to give you an idea what I'm doing. Okay, so start with me. Do, and then the octave up. Do, and that is where we start, okay? So let's try it. I'll go slower, and then we'll sing it together, okay? So 1, 2, 3, ready, and do, ti, la, sol, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. How'd you do? If it was confusing, or if you aren't sure how I got any of my answers, or how I got my notes, or anything at all in the video, feel free to email me and I will try to help you as best I can. If you want to try to do it again, just back up a little bit and try to sing it again. If you did really well and you're like, Mrs. Schaefer, I totally got it, I don't need to go over it again, excellent, great job. And yeah, so I hope this wasn't too difficult. I'm hoping we're getting the hang of it. It's getting a little easier as we're practicing and kind of seeing how we're doing this. So thanks for participating with me and clapping and singing and all that fun stuff. And I will see you next time.